Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. Yes, today we are going to study about the books of original entry. You have studied the origin of transactions, accounting principle, basic terms, and everything. Now, the chapter 9, books of original entry, means now we are on the process of how the accounting process is done, just on the particular things we are. So, my dear children, first, what is the meaning of the books of original entry? This one is the primary book, first stage where the transactions are recorded. The book in which our transactions is recorded for the first time. Recorded for the first time from a source document are called books of original entry. Now, dear children, try to observe the fact. ध्यान रहे, जो सोर्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट होते हैं, जो वाउचर क्रिएट करते हैं, अभी पिछले चैप्टर में मैंने बताया कि रिसीट या वाउचर, कैश मेमो, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दोज एविडेंस, दोज सोर्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स, द ट्रांजेक्शंस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन सच बुक. In those books, they are called the books of original entry. Journal is one of them. By the way, that is the basic book of journal is called the basic book of books of original entry. This one is the basic book. So, yes, today we are going through the meaning, theory, functions, features about the books of original entry. And all the transactions are recorded in the book in chronological order. When the transaction takes place, just they are recorded in the books by preparing the vouchers and whatever the source of documents. With the help of them, they are recorded. And the double entry system is used to record such transactions. Double entry system refer the two accounts. One account is debited and the other is credited on the opposite directions. So, the books of original journal is one of the mode where the transactions are firstly recorded, and with the help of journal, the transactions are posted into the ledger where they are balanced, preparing the trial balance and the final account, so on. But here we have to study about the books of original entry about the journal. So huge shape and size of the business. Just everything is not possible to record in journal. So some subsidiaries books included in the books of original entry, named cash book, sales book, purchase book, sales return book, purchase return book, bills receivable book, bills payable books. A number of such books are, and journal proper. These are the subsidiaries book of original entry, in which the transactions are firstly recorded manually. ये सारी किताबें हैं जिसमें जो ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं वो फर्स्टली रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं। बिकॉज चूंकि आज मैं आपको थियरी बता रहा हूँ, इसकी मीनिंग बता रहा हूँ, इसके फंक्शन बता रहा हूँ, तो कल से जो मंडे से मैं प्रैक्टिकली आज फॉर्मेट बताएंगे जर्नल का, उसमें उसका कंटेंट बताएंगे, उसका फंक्शन बताएंगे, उसका एडवांटेज बताएंगे, और उसके बाद प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग इन्वॉल्व होंगे कि अकाउंट को डेबिट और क्रेडिट कैसे किया जाता है, क्या गोल्डन रूल्स होता है ट्रांजैक्शंस का, डेबिट क्रेडिट करने का, ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा। नाउ journal is a book of original entry in which the transactions are firstly recorded. When the transaction take place, I mean to say, जब ट्रांजैक्शन फर्स्ट टाइम होता है, पहली बार किया जाता है, तो सोर्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट की सहायता से जिस बुक में हम लोग उसको रिकॉर्ड करते हैं उसे ही हम जर्नल बुक कहते हैं, रोज नाम चाहे। ईच एंड एवरी डेज ट्रांजैक्शंस आर रिकॉर्डेड. दिस वन इज द फीचर्स ऑफ द जर्नल. सो माय डियर, in journal, this one is the definition. This is the basic book of books of original entry, where the transactions are recorded firstly when they take place. In which way they are recorded, what's the procedure and method adopted recording of the such transactions, I will tell in practical questions for having the examples. And sometimes you can find the waste book where the huge shape and size of the transactions are recorded. Transaction takes place in big business, in big industries. So the waste book, that is rough book of original entry, with the help of them such transactions are recorded in the journal. Features of journal, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या होती है जर्नल की, उसके फीचर्स क्या होते हैं, ये आप देखें. फर्स्ट फीचर्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन यू कैन फाइंड द फीचर, यू कैन फाइंड द ट्रांजैक्शंस whether that is going to be recorded, that is to be recorded in the first book. So one feature is can be just where the transactions are firstly recorded. This one is the primary or basic book. This one is the first feature of the journal. आप खुद ही कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं इस बात को कि जो ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं फर्स्ट टाइम जब रिकॉर्ड होते हैं जिस किताब में, वो जर्नल होता है। तो इसका एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक और विशेषता ये है बेटा कि जो ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं वो पहली बार जर्नल में ही रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है। और दूसरा फीचर, ये पहली किताब होने की वजह से जस्ट ओनली अ प्राइमरी ओरिजिनल प्राइमरी बुक, बेसिक बुक, just where the original entry is found. All the transactions recorded in the journal are subsequently transferred to ledger. क्रमबद्ध तरीके से उनको लेजर में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, which is the principal book of account, जो प्रधान बुक होती है, प्रिंसिपल बुक ऑफ account. Ledger is the principal's book of account. Subsequently, all the recorded transactions from journal posted into the ledger. उसके बाद में तो एक दूसरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इसकी ये भी हो सकती है। एंड थर्ड वन, डे टू डे transactions are recorded, means daily transactions are recorded in journal. Fourth, all the transactions are recorded in chronological order, means day to day, in chronological, अविच्छिन्न माला में, जैसे ट्रांजैक्शन जिस तरह का हुआ उस तरह का रिकॉर्ड कर दिया। And next one, identity of the transactions it maintain, means what types of the transactions has been made in the business entity, in the business organization, it maintain. And in journal, just the dual aspect, double entry system is adopted. Whether when the transaction takes place, it affects the two accounts, and one is debited and other is credited. So, in double account system, it maintains the debit and credit, both the side of the transactions and both the accounts. And regarding the narration, in journal, the brief explanation of the transactions are written. Brief explanation of the transactions can be found in journal, because this one is the basic. Function of a journal. फंक्शन क्या क्या करता है, किस तरह से ऑपरेट करता है बेटा, ये ध्यान देने योग्य। टू कीप अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल, दैट इज डेट वाइज रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल ट्रांजेक्शंस, मीन्स क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर मीन्स डेट वाइज, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शंस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन द बुक्स ऑफ journal. This one is the first function. analyzing each transaction into debit and credit aspect by using double entry system. By using double entry system, just debit and credit, just it analyzes all the every transactions. And it also provides the basis of transaction to post into ledger. Post into ledger it provides, and maintain the identity of the transactions, having the brief explanation of such transactions. मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि जर्नल के द्वारा हम हर तरह का ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन और हर तरह की सूचना जहाँ पोस्ट करना है हमें इसके द्वारा पाया जा सकता है। एडवांटेज भी इसी के थ्रू आप पता कर सकते हैं। एडवांटेज as transaction in journal are entered and when they take place. Firstly, the transactions are recorded in journal. We can find out in easy way, and as transaction chronological order, date wise, किस डेट को कौन सा ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ, किस ट्रांजैक्शन के द्वारा क्या कौन कौन से खाते प्रभावित हुए, ये सब कुछ पता लग सकता है। ये जो फंक्शन बताए वही आपका एनालिसिस ऑफ इच ट्रांजैक्शंस बाय डेबिटिंग एंड क्रेडिटिंग। आप इसके माध्यम से एनालाइज कर सकते हैं हर ट्रांजैक्शंस को, और हर एंट्री every transactions and every entry carry narration. Narration means brief explanation of the transaction, how the transaction is done, where transaction takes place. So every brief explanation can be found in narration regarding the transactions. And with the help of journal, we can have the cross-checking of the transactions. Whether some error located, discovered, then cross-checking is easy. In case of trial balance, whether trial balance does not tally, just that is the cause of being some error in the transactions, and we can discover or locate the transaction. Now, format of journal. Format of journal, just the 5 column. 5 column has format of journal. First column just drawn. Okay, I would like to tell you at the board the format of journal. The format of journal this way. Now watch over here. You can find the journal. One column, second, and third, and fourth. you can write for here journal. Watch my date of month. Particulars. LF, ledger folio. Amount, debit, amount, credit. Now see here, this one is the first column given, date and month. When the transaction take place, just you can write here the date of month, date value, because it provides the information. The transactions are recorded in chronological order according to the date wise. Particulars, what's the transaction that is being done? Just we have the account, name of the accounts, one is debited and other is credited. In ledger folio number refers such accounts where just the page of the ledger here mentioned in third column, page of the ledger folio mentioned to where on which page such transaction posted into the ledger. Amount debit. Amount debit means the transactions, the amount of the transaction is debited in this column and the amount of transaction, the other transaction credited in credit column. This way, the entries are made in the journal. मेरे कहने का मतलब यह है, यहाँ पर डेट, यहाँ पर ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन होता है, नरेशन के साथ ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन, पर्टिकुलरली राम डेबिट टू सेल्स आर अदर थिंग्स, लेजर किस नंबर से लेजर फोलियो में इस एंट्री को पोस्ट किया गया वो लेजर फोलियो में, और जितना अमाउंट है उस अमाउंट से क्रेडिट और सेम अमाउंट से दूसरा खाता क्रेडिट। थैंक यू फॉर द डे, आज इतना ही।